Making money online is a big dream for many people. It's a vision that has captured the imagination of countless individuals around the world. So many people want this today. They see the potential and the opportunities that the digital world offers. They imagine a life with more freedom where they can work from anywhere and at any time. They want flexibility in their work, the ability to balance their personal and professional lives seamlessly. The appeal is incredibly strong now, more than ever before. It offers a different kind of life, one that is designed around your own needs and desires. A life designed by you, for you. This is the essence of the dream. This dream is closer than you think. With the right tools and mindset, it is within reach. Many people think earning online is hard. They see the challenges and feel overwhelmed. They believe it is too complex, filled with technical hurdles and endless tasks. Or maybe it is only for tech wizards, those who have a deep understanding of coding and technology. Some feel they missed the boat, that the opportunity has passed them by. These are just common myths. The reality is much different. The truth is much simpler. With the right approach, anyone can succeed. It is not as complicated as it seems. You just need to start with the basics. You do not need to be a guru. You just need to be willing to learn and adapt. The reality of online income is exciting. It opens up new possibilities. It has become more accessible than ever. The tools and resources are at your fingertips. You see ordinary people succeeding daily. They are turning their dreams into reality. They are building businesses from home, creating new streams of income. They are changing their financial futures one step at a time. You can be one of them too. The dream is within your reach. So, what is Legacy Builders all about? It's a comprehensive program designed with you in mind. It is a program designed for you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, it is made for everyday people. People from all walks of life can benefit from it. People who want a real change. Those who are ready to take actionable steps towards their goals. It is built on simplicity and clarity. No complex theories, just straightforward guidance. It helps you start your online journey. From setting up your first website to launching your business. No confusing jargon, just clear steps. Each step is designed to be easy to follow. It is your partner in this new venture, offering support and guidance every step of the way. The main idea behind Legacy Builders is simple. It's about creating something meaningful. It helps you build a real online business, one that is sustainable and profitable, one that can last for years, with a focus on long-term success and growth. This is not a get-rich-quick promise. It's about putting in the work and seeing real results. It is about sustainable, steady growth, progress that you can see and measure over time. It focuses on building a true asset, something that holds value and can grow, an asset that works for you, generating income and providing stability. This is how true legacies are built, through dedication, hard work, and smart planning. Let's talk about the daily blueprint, a crucial element of the Legacy Builders program. This is a core part of Legacy Builders. It lays out the essential steps you need to take. Its purpose is to give you direction, helping you stay focused and on track. It provides clear step-by-step actions, so you always know what to do next. You know exactly what to do each day, ensuring you make consistent progress towards your goals. Now let's discuss the exciting part. This is about making real money online. Legacy Builders helps you achieve this. It focuses on high-value activities, activities that lead to tangible results. You are not just busy, you are productive. The system is designed for your success. It guides you towards profitability. What kind of earnings are possible? You can aim for $300 daily, or perhaps $600 is your goal. Even $900 a day is achievable. These are real figures people are seeing. Of course, results depend on your effort. But the potential is definitely there. Legacy Builders shows you the path. A key feature is 100% commissions. What does this mean for you? It means you keep all the profit from the sales you generate. This is incredibly powerful for growth. Section 4. Building your digital empire, a step-by-step journey. This section is designed to take you through the entire process, from the very beginning to a thriving online business. Starting an online business from zero? Yes, that can feel very daunting. The sheer amount of information and the number of steps involved can be overwhelming. Many people don't know where to begin. They often feel lost and unsure about the first steps to take. Legacy Builders changes all of that. It provides a structured approach that demystifies the process. It simplifies the entire process. You get a clear, easy-to-follow plan that breaks down each step. It provides you with a clear path, a roadmap to follow, step by step. This ensures you know exactly what to do at each stage. You are never left feeling lost. The guidance is continuous, ensuring you always have a direction. What are the very first steps? You will set up your online foundation. This is the bedrock of your digital empire. This is made easy for you. The tools and resources provided are user-friendly and straightforward. You do not need any technical skills, no coding or complex software needed. Everything is designed to be accessible. The process is fully guided. You will have step-by-step instructions and tutorials to help you. You will have support along the way. Whether it's through community forums or direct mentorship, help is always available. It is designed for beginners. Even if you have no prior experience, you can succeed with this program. The Legacy Builders program walks with you. It is like having a mentor by your side, guiding you through each step. It guides you through each important stage, from your initial idea to your launch. Every phase is covered comprehensively, and it does not stop there. The support continues even after your business is up and running. Support continues as your business grows. You will learn advanced strategies to expand and scale. You learn how to adapt and scale. This ensures your business remains competitive and continues to grow. Section 5. The cornerstones of online business leads, lists, and lasting income. What are the true essentials for success? First, let's talk about lead generation. This means finding interested people who want what you offer. This is absolutely vital for any business. Without leads, there are no sales. Legacy Builders teaches you how to find your ideal customers. Next, you need to build an email list. Why is an email list so valuable? It gives you direct communication. You can connect with your audience, nurture relationships with them, share value and build trust. An email list is an asset. It is something you own and control. Then, there is the goal of recurring income. This is often called passive income. You do the work once and you can earn from it repeatedly. Section 6. Automation, your silent partner in online success. Let's explore the magic of automation. It is about doing less, but achieving more. It means working smarter, not just harder. Automation can transform your business. It can free up so much time. It allows you to focus on growth instead of getting stuck in daily tasks. This is a game changer for many. How does automation help your online business? It can handle many repetitive tasks. Think about email marketing sequences. Think about sales processes and follow-ups. Even customer service can be automated. This ensures consistency and efficiency. Your business runs smoothly in the background. You do not have to do everything manually. Section 7. Your online fortune awaits. Seize the opportunity. Let's recap the core message here. Making money online is truly accessible. It is not a distant, impossible dream. The Legacy Builders program proves this. It makes the entire process even simpler. It provides the tools and the map. You just need to follow the path. Success is within your grasp. It is time to overcome any doubts. You do not need to be an expert. You do not need a special degree. You just need to be willing to learn and be willing to follow the steps. The daily blueprint is your guide. Commitment and consistency are key. Anyone can do this with dedication. The potential waiting for you is huge. Think about achieving financial freedom. Imagine the lifestyle changes possible. You can build a true legacy, something for your future, your family. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel, visit our website, and follow us on social media for more insights and opportunities.